Hello everyone, welcome to Hema's Home and Garden in USA. Before going to the main subject, let me thank Cindy Hill and Rashmi Singh for answering my questions that I asked in my onion seeds germination part 2 video. I am a very new YouTuber. I am extremely happy and pleased with the answers I got. Thank you so much Cindy Hill and Rashmi Singh. A big shout out to you guys. I also want to thank Mahamaya Mandal and Cindy Hill for trying what I suggested in my video and also sharing a positive feedback about my channel in the social media. It means a lot to me. Thank you both of you. Alright, let us come to the main part. We are already in the middle of winter and the garden centers are loaded with gardening supplies. So, apart from having seeds, apart from buying seeds, you may need few more items for having a successful garden. So, these are the products that I use for my garden. So, I will show one by one and explain how it helps the plant. So, the first two products that I am showing is the blood meal and the bone meal. So, both the blood meal and bone meal are organic products. You get it in Walmart or Home Depot or Tractor Supply or Lowe's. So, practically all the garden centers at this point of time they carry these products. So, what this blood meal does to the plant is it provides high amounts of nitrogen. So, nitrogen is very essential for all kinds of green growth in your plants. You can see by the picture, they have pictured the salad greens in this label. So, you can clearly understand that all kinds of green growth needs nitrogen supply. So, you can use basically this blood meal for your mint, for your salad greens, for your spinach, you can even use for your curry leaf plant. So, blood meal is essential for top growth of the plant. The other one you see here is the bone meal. So, this is also an organic fertilizer. This bone meal has a very good amount of phosphorus in it along with a little amounts of nitrogen. So, phosphorus is very essential for having a very good root system in the plants. So, you can use this bone meal for everything including the bulbs, trees and shrubs, for roses, for your vegetable plants, everything you can use bone meal. So, the numbers you see here, the 2 indicates nitrogen, amount of nitrogen, number 14 indicates the amount of phosphorus in it and 0 indicates the amount of potassium in it. So, before you transfer your plants into the garden bed or into the pot, mix 1 tablespoon of bone meal per plant and mix it well in the soil and then transfer the plant into the pot or the garden bed. So, it is obvious that when the plant has very good root system, it gets the ability to absorb the nutrients from the soil and it also helps in having a good fruit and flower production. So, bone meal is a very essential fertilizer to have in stock for your garden. So, the third product is Epsom salt. So, Epsom salt is needed for all kinds of vegetable plants including onions and garlic. So, just sprinkle 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt per plant every once in a month. So, this has magnesium sulfate. So, the reason why I am asking you to apply Epsom salt for your onions and garlic is because this one has sulfur in it. So, sulfur is very essential for onions and garlic. So, basically Epsom salt helps your plants to absorb all the nutrients that is needed for it. So, you can apply Epsom salt to all your plants irrespective of whether it is vegetable plants or flower plants, does not matter, you can apply Epsom salt to everything. So, another 2 products are BT worm and caterpillar killer and neem oil extract. Both are concentrated solutions. You can mix 1 tablespoon of neem oil with 1 gallon of water. Same way you can mix 1 tablespoon of BT with 1 gallon of water. So, what this does is when you spray this BT to your vegetable plants, so the worms and caterpillars after eating the leaves that are sprayed with BT, they become very sick and inactive and that way your fruits and vegetable plants are protected from the worms and caterpillars. And it is 100% safe for humans Both of these bottles has instruction manuals about how much of the product you can use and how much of the product you should use for what kind of plants. So this is 100% organic way to control the insects, spider mites and other kind of worms and caterpillars in your garden. And I bought these two products during the 2020 growing season, and I still have 3/4 of it left. So if you are buying these two products this year, you may be using it for the next 2 years also. So you don't have to spend money every year to buy these products. And finally, if you have fruit trees in your garden, you may need these three products. The middle one you see here are the fertilizer spikes. I usually fertilize my fruit trees for 3 times in a year. So one is during middle of February, one during the middle of May and one during the middle of September. So this fertilizer spikes has a balanced amount of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, along with some basic trace minerals that are very essential for fruit production. So this one comes for about $10 and has 15 fertilizer spikes in it. So based on the number of fruit trees you have, you can calculate how many of these packs you may need for the growing season. So along with these fertilizer spikes, I also have two of other products that you see here. One is the fruit, citrus and nut orchard spray. The other one is copper fungicide. These two products I use to control disease like black spot, rust, sometimes the fruit rot in your fruit trees, some powdery mildew, fungal infections. So these types of problems you can avoid using these two of these products. So both of these products are organic way of controlling disease in your fruit trees. So this overall all the products that I showed you along with the blood meal, bone meal, Epsom salt, the fruit tree spikes, the insect sprays for your garden, and the caterpillar, worm and caterpillar spray, neem oil extract. So everything will cost you around $100 to $120. So it is kind of expensive, but I strongly believe if you spend this $100 to $120 per season, you can take all the rewards of your investment of your time, your energy and your money by having a successful production during the growing season. So I hope this video is helpful to all of you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.